if you don't,
Yeah, once again. Once
when I open
I'm gonna do this in your room. If you don't subscribe, I'm gonna do this. It's not working.
it's gonna do that.
I'm gonna be in your bedroom with a gun, and I'm gonna levitate up in the air. And I'm gonna kill you. Alright, yeah, anyways, guys, you should subscribe to Bird Gaming, and then a bunch of numbers.
Yeah, go to subscribe to Bird Gaming. While you're at
Yeah, I don't know what the heck he's saying because his mic is, like, super bad. He got it from, like, Dollar Tree.
yeah,
Yeah, so
Bird
your mic
Gaming.
is broken right now. Your mic is just broken. Yeah. Just a normal Dollar Tree farming. What does that mean? Alright, anyways, get the gun, let's kill him. Get the headphones, hey, help me! What the heck? Wow. Look at this. Bro, look at it. No, where are you going? Bro, look at this. Look it. Hey, I'm drifting. Bro, I'm drifting, bro.
No, that bro's lagging.
What does it look like? What?
Bro's lagging.
I'm lagging? Oh! Woo! No! Oh my god. What the heck?
So everyone
the jack.
clicks King and Bird Gaming. Or else I will be in your
Yeah, sorry guys. He got his mic from Dollar Tree. Yeah, so we got mods and stuff for this game. No. Oh, I almost ran into the... I got mods for this game. Like the zero gravity. And yeah. What does it look like? What does it look like for you? Oh yeah, zero gravity.
It looks like you're just like zooming around.
Oh, it doesn't work. Hold up. I need to equip it real quick. Hold up. Wait, what? So sometimes it doesn't work. Oh my god. Won't work. Whoa. What the? I'm levitating. Look it. I'm just standing still.
Wait, what?
I
Ow.
am your father.
Anyways.
Yeah, I don't know how I did that. That's cool. Wait, how did I do that? I'm like, oh, I see how it works. So like, whenever you do that, it kind of like controls like how your hands are doing it. So if you're like pointing down, they'll put you down. Whoa. Let me levitate. Oh yeah, you gotta go like this. Yeah. Oh no, you gotta go like this. Yeah. No. Okay. Sometimes it doesn't work, guys. It's kind of hard. Yeah. Well, we also got the no clip glitch too, so that's pretty cool. All right. Anyways, get your guns, get the suitcase, and let's kill him. Let's kill this monster.
What up?
Kill this monster, okay, bro? Bro, I need to go over here. What's he doing? Bro, get away from me! Get away!
I gotta suit up. Shooting up.
Stop following me! My neck hurts. Jesus. Here, wait. I'm gonna put him right over here. Yeah, but yeah, if you kill the monster, that happens. So yeah, guys. It's so loud. Why is it so loud? Oh my god. Run, rabbit. Oh!
Oh my god.
kind of like hopping. Why am I like bunny? Oh, because I have platforms.
Did you bring
Oh yeah,
wood?
I died. Call me Coco.
Game.
All right.
Coco.
So Bird Gaming. What are we gonna do now? I'm kind of bored. Oh, let's play a horror. Let's play horror.
Oh yeah.
Let's show these folks
Where's
how to play. Let's go. Here, actually, I'll just die. A little bit older. Come and get me, loser. Oh, no, it's gonna be so loud. Okay, I muted that. Alright, but anyways, disable, like, all this, like, no clip and whatever stuff. You want to come over here? And then just enter the door into shop. Ready? And then, yeah, that's it.
just gotta.
Alright, but anyways, guys, let's go ahead and oh yeah, I actually have a soundboard. Hold on, wait, be quiet. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Yeah, but it's pretty funny. Alright, anyways, guys, see.
Beep.
Bird Gaming? Bird Gaming?
Yeah?
Bird Gaming? Oh, you're in here?
Yeah, I'm
Shula,
right here.
I stole
Hey.
somebody the game with
Alright,
me.
ready, guys? Let's go. Let's go, Bird Gaming. Bird Gaming. Bird Gaming, where you at?
Oh, wait, I'm right here.
Gamer.
Hi. Alright, ready, Bird Gaming? Bird Gamer?
Let's do
Whatever.
it.
Yeah. Okay, let's
is Coco.
go. Let's advance.
Let's go, guys. By the way, I'm making a YouTube video. What was that? What was that? What was that?
I grenade.
What was that? What was that? Bird Gaming! Bird Gaming! Bird Gaming! Bird Gaming!
It is scary.
Here! No, God! Bird Gaming!
Coco, where are you?
I don't know! What is going on? What is going on?
I don't know, Coco.
Go into Cold TV! Oh my god!
Why and it's not opening it?
No, that's lies. I already did that
Wait,
before.
wait, can
I
I-
literally
can
trolled
anyone
people
tell
by
me?
saying,
Oh Jesus. Jesus Christ. Okay,
Coco?
so that was terrifying.
my God.
So the reason why, yeah, so somebody had a grenade launcher, which I really want. But all right, I'm gonna change my name to. Okay. Oh wait, no, not this. Why is it? All right, so change your
Yeah, I'm
name to
changing
like
mine.
Bird Gaming. Then I'm gonna change mine to KOKO. By the way, this is not how you spell it on YouTube. It's COCOA. By the way, so I'm just saying. It's not like that.
Yeah.
Alright, but we're gonna join horror. Alright, wait, does my name say Coco? Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it does.
Alright, nice. Can do turning. Okay. Ah! It's turning so fast.
But let me look at my YouTube channel.
Okay. What is he doing, bro? He's looking at bro's YouTube channel. Alright, but anyways, guys. Yeah, let's just mess around with soundboard, I guess.
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here. What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here. I have been arrested for multiple crimes, including
Okay.
battery on a
Hold up.
Grand theft. Declare
I'm gonna type in the numbers in my name.
will be escaping prison on March 28th. After that, I will take over the world. Greetings, Quandale Dingle here. My cousin Henry Bartholomew Dinglenut got arrested for putting a TNT in a daycare center.
So anyone wondering what channel to subscribe to? That's mine. Search
Here,
that
wait.
up.
Actually, let me just change it to my.
Hey fellas, it's Quandale Dingle here. I put perks in Vladimir Putin's drink
And look for a blue bee.
for a really long time.
Look for a white bee surrounded by like
And in an air fryer,
bluish,
I dumped boiling water on a
a
prison.
bluish greenish.
My goofy off friend Jamarius Quangledangle tried to eat my butt during Ramadan.
And you should find my channel because right here.
Alright, but that's my YouTube channel. Anyways, that's my YouTube channel name, Coco X King. Right there, go subscribe. Alright, ready? Ready, Wally?
Go subscribe now. Yes.
Ooh, get ready for Ruckus. Ready? 3, 2, 1,
Okay.
go.
Bro, stop. I'm gonna joke it. Look, get away, mother.